Want to make groundbreaking discoveries in biology? Whether it's bioinformatics, microbiology, or molecular biology, here's how you can kickstart your research journey today. Step 1. Follow your curiosity. Are you fascinated by genetics, microbiomes, or big biological data? Find what excites you because passion drives great research. Step 2. Build your foundation. Master core concepts, essential lab techniques, and even some programming. Science is always evolving, so keep learning. Step 3. The biggest decision, choosing your supervisor. Look for someone who aligns with your research interests, encourages creativity, has a solid mentorship record, communicates openly. Don't just pick the biggest name, pick the best guide for you. Step 4. Define your research question. Make it specific, impactful, and focused. A strong question shapes your entire research, so take your time. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to starting research in biological sciences. If you're ready to take your science journey to the next level, subscribe to What Wahoo now. Like, share, and drop a comment below about your research interests. Let's build a community of future scientists together. See you in the next video.